David Chinn here, President of the Royal Aeronautical Society, on the last day at Aero Frederikshavn, and I'll just give you a few words about my thoughts on experiential learning. If you've seen my other posts from Aero Frederikshavn, you will have seen me talking to the ACAF League, which I think is a great organisation in terms of encouraging young people to design, build and fly real airplanes. Why do I think that matters? Well, if you go back to the Society's Charter, which is furthering the art and science of aerospace, and look at our role in terms of the Engineering Council, which just has that obligation to incorporate experiential learning in education, then to me there's definitely a sense of the only way to do it is to do it. If I can talk on a couple of things, simulations are a good way of getting some background, but there's nothing like getting that hands-on experience in terms of real aviation. And I'd apply the same sort of argument to certainly the small UAVs, RAeS, whatever you want to call them, drones, because to me, and this is one of the things that came out of my conference, is the major thing about experiential learning. For me, my interpretation in the aerospace context is working in a regulated environment with a safety culture. And the only way to get that experience, that real experience, that gut feeling of, right, we need to manage a risk to life here, is to do it. And for me, that also has the benefit of producing individuals for industry who are very employable, and not least for the individuals who are very employable. As a prime example, in the last year or so, people who are coming out of the RAeS to space, so design and build and test flying of real rocket engines, a great initiative. They are very, very employable. So from my point of view, the idea of experiential learning is that at the heart of the Charter, what we should be doing to support the Engineering Council objectives and to produce individuals who are competent, confident, to be the future generation of aerospace professionals. Thank you.